This Tech Minute is sponsored by Auto Value. Visit us online for more information.
Andrew Markel, Brake in Front End Magazine. Let's talk about brake hardware. Brake hardware should be replaced every time the pads are replaced, simply because brake hardware is a spring, and over time, springs fail. They lose their tension. And the brake environment is very hard on a spring. Because think about it, you've got endless heat cycles from the customer stopping, applying the brakes, and then cooling and then heating. It's even worse than the engine bay. And over time, those heat cycles can cause metal fatigue. And when these are no longer able to keep tension and keep that brake pad in the proper position, the brake pad can rattle, cause noise, and maybe even have uneven brake pad wear. This is why you should be replacing brake hardware every single time you replace the pads. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.